Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? Today's device I want to share with you is absolutely one of the best streaming sticks in my opinion. I've absolutely loved them. It is by Roku. This is the Streaming Stick Plus. So this is the box that it's going to come in. Once you open it up, this is what the streaming stick looks like. It is super compact and easy to utilize. So we're going to cover all the features right here in the video. Now, in addition to this, you are going to get a USB to USB Type-C cable. This is how you're going to get power to the stick. It is short enough to just plug into the back of your TV so you don't see any wires if your TV has a USB port. That is the way to utilize this. However, it is long enough if you need to go ahead and go to an outlet with an adapter, you can utilize that as well. But the cleanest install is to use that USB port on the back of your TV if you have it. Now, it's also going to come with their remote control, which is super easy to use. So on the remote control, as you can see, it's nice and compact, fits easily in the hand. This is just utilizes two AAA batteries, has a nice long battery life. It will tell you when the batteries are low, so you never have to worry about guessing on that. You get your power button, your back button, your home button, all your little controls. It does have voice support. So if there's a certain TV show or a movie you want to watch, you can just say it into the Roku, and it'll tell you basically what apps that item is on, and it'll even tell you if it is going to cost or if it's free, which is a nice feature. Now, on the bottom here, it has your quick set buttons of Netflix, Disney Plus, Apple TV Plus, and Amazon Prime. So you can press those and it'll automatically access those apps. On the side, it's going to have your volume buttons and your quick mute button. So you don't have to fiddle with your TV remote. This will be able to go ahead and utilize that, which is great. You can adjust their volume as needed. Now, something you will notice, this does not have a headphone jack on this remote. That is part of their premium remote line. However, if you utilize the Roku app, you can pair a headset to your phone and get volume through that if you don't want to utilize your TV speakers, like late at night or something like that. You can also utilize the app to go ahead and control it like a remote if you wish, in case you end up losing this remote as an alternative option. But as you can see, why I like the Streaming Stick Plus. Now, there is a whole line of devices. This is going to fall in the middle of the road as far as the streaming stick. So first off, you're just going to have the streaming stick. That one only supports HD quality video. The Streaming Stick Plus that I have right here is going to add HD support, 4K support, and HDR 10 plus. So once again, this is going to have, if your TV is a 4K or with HDR, this is the stick to get that great quality. And as you can see, it's super compact and easy to use. Now, they do have a premium streaming stick, and essentially all that's doing is adding to it Adobe Vision support. So if that's something important to you, that's what you're going to want to get. Now, they do also have the Ultra, which is not a streaming stick, but a little device that will sit kind of below or around your TV, and that's going to add in the Dolby Atmos features. So if you want Atmos, that's going to be the device for you. It also is going to come with the premium remote that is can be charged. It has rechargeable batteries in it and also has the little headphone jack. But as far as the middle of the road, this one is pretty awesome. It's going to have everything you need. Now, as you can see, the stick is compact, which is one of the reasons I love it. It is absolutely great for travel. So one of the things we like to do, whether we're staying at a vacation rental, whether we're going to families' houses, whether we're going to stay at a hotel, we can easily throw this in our luggage, and it has all our apps right here into the stick. We don't have to re-log in or anything like that. Just have to connect it to wherever we're staying's Wi-Fi, and it's super easy to install because you just simply plug it into the HDMI port. It doesn't block any of the other ports because of its compactness. On the bottom side is where you're going to plug in the USB to get the power. On the other side is where you're going to press to turn on the device itself, and there's a little light here in the middle that will light up, let you know it has power. Now, this thing has thousands of apps. So you're going to be able to find all the apps that you like to utilize. You'll be able to discover new apps. It's another reason why I love the Roku devices, is they seem to have everybody on board with them, which is absolutely great. They also support live TV. So there's a lot of live channels that you can watch. If you want to watch live TV, that's an option, which is another nice feature. They also have their own channel that has a lot of content as well that is included in their services. So very, very cool as far as utilizing. Now, if you are a person that does vacation rentals, another nice cool thing about Roku is they do have a vacation mode for those people and uses where it'll go ahead, it has a special account. You can kind of name your little property, and then it allows you to check in for your guests. We discovered this and it was really, really cool. When we stayed at a place, you check in and you say when you're checking out, and it'll automatically sign you out of all the little apps that you've added or signed into, and it kind of refreshes it for the next guest. So you don't ever have to worry about, oh, I didn't log out of my HBO account, for example, and some other person's going to be utilizing it. It's a nice little feature for guests, which is really, really cool. Now, it does support all the various assistants out there. So if you are big in using assistants, whether it's the Google, Alexa, Siri, whatever, it does support all those out there. So you can utilize it as those features if you wish. Go ahead and set those up via the app or through the menu. But it is very, very simple to use. It's plug and play. Get access to all your streaming apps. Very easy to bring with you. Turn any old TV into a smart TV with this little device. If you are in the market for a streaming stick, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.